So here's Eden on her new playmat, and she doesn't really get it. I think she thinks it's food. Here, stop eating it. Stop eating it. Come here. Hey. She's looking at something on the wall. Completely different. Completely separate from this thing. But that's alright, I guess. Hey! Hey! Eden! What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Hey! Whoa! That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I don't know what she thinks. I don't know if she knows what she thinks, but it's kind of funny. Boo boo boo. It's kind of funny. What are you doing with that tongue? What are you doing? Who's in there? Who's in there? Ooh, there's Eden in the mirror. That scares her. I'm hanging off. We're hanging off the edge. Boink! Nope, now she's doing her fencing. See her arms. Yep, back and forth. Back and forth. Hi! Dee 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 dee.